Facebook traffic rockets. Actually, I just wanted to share with you and to give you the potential that I believe in life that can help you to make a lot of money on this particular video. I don't have any shadow of doubt that this particular stuff will help you. So the question is actually, let's assume you are promoting whatever it is, you are just making money online on whatever you are promoting, you are selling something offline, whatever it is. What I believe you needed to make a lot of money out of it is actually for people to check it out, in other words, to traffic generation. So if you can get people to check out whatever you are promoting, whatever you are selling, are you plating here, are you selling tomatoes, are you selling what, name it, are you selling water? Sure, understand me? So whatever it is, what you need to make money is when people actually check it, in other words, traffic generation. But what happens is that because that it costs almost a fortune to actually continue running traffic online and even on offline, wherever it is, so people tend to actually backing off. What if there is a way for you to generate a free traffic that you don't need to pay for it, and this particular traffic has to be a laser targeted traffic? You have to actually get it to your link, to whatever you are promoting, affiliate offer, CPA, whatever it is, it will work in all in niches. The question is, will it be awesome for you? So on this particular video, I just want to brief to you a little bit about it, because this is an opportunity that comes once and might go forever. Again, if you miss out, sure, understand me. So look at it. Facebook is the number one when you talk about the social network at the time I'm recording this particular video in this particular 21st century. So everybody, majority of people in the world have Facebook accounts. Some have even more than one, some have even more than two. So what if, and these particular people that are using Facebook, they have feeling, they are real human beings, they actually have needs, probably of what you have, you are selling, right? And they're checking out, they are becoming members of group and some other pages. What if there is a way for me? Let's assume I'm selling whatever it is, this particular can water, whatever it is. What if there is a way for me to actually make it that I have a freebie, I have something free of my product that I can give to people free. And for them to get that particular stuff free, they have to help me to share my link that I'm promoting, or the website of my store, whatever it is that I'm selling, they help me to share it with their friends. How awesome would that be? So that is what I just did before you here. So now let's take this particular example. As you can see, I go to this particular timeline of this particular Facebook. Let's assume that I have something I'm selling. I have configured this to share my link, and it will work right here before you, and you see it. So what if I did a research and found out that people are looking for a way to open a paper, two-ways account paper, two-ways PayPal account that they can use to be receiving money and actually sending money? So I have to invest, I have to pay to know how to do it. And when I know how to do it, I have to create an ebook to get, I paid for tools and some other things and know how. And when I did it, I create an ebook, an awesome ebook that everybody who downloaded it were saying good thing about it. Let me actually know whether if I can see what they were saying about the ebook and the video. As you can see, this one say great ebook and some other thing. You understand me? This one say, oh my goodness, this particular person watching free videos that I have to share. It's a great video with awesome job and some other thing. Again, you can pause this particular video wherever you want it to read well and see what people were saying actually about this particular good idea that we are sharing in the community, that people will continue to actually see how to be successful online. Probably pause this particular video and see you. I sure understand me, because I don't have time to actually pause it and show you. But this is real. So I created this particular ebooks. Now I am giving it for free. So for people to actually get their hand on that particular ebook, knowingly or unknowingly, they have to share my link that I'm promoting. Let's see how it works. So let's assume that you are the person that just come to this particular website, and you have to click at the end of the day. The summary of this particular video is for you to click here and get this particular ebook. So they have to click here, boom, they were in search of the ebook or whatever it is that you have to give as an appetizer of your product. It's very simple. So once they click on it, it will take them to where they will share this particular stuff to their timeline. And when they share it to their timeline, then it will redirect them to that particular thing they came after, which I have set for them to get. You understand me? So as you can see, let me actually say mm, best deal. You understand me? Or awesome anything. So whether they type something here or they don't type, once they click on post, it will redirect them to what they were looking for, which I have set up, right? As you can see, they will be able to get to this particular place and get what I'm promoting. It could be a sponsored post, it could be whatever it is, it could be a blog post that you wanted them to actually see. And before they will see it, they have to reach to share their post, to share your link. So let's go to the timeline of this particular person that just shared this particular link. As you can see, it just helped me free. I didn't know difficulty. So if somebody actually click on this particular stuff now, the person will get to the landing page of the offer I'm promoting. And most of the time, I have the potential to actually link that particular link, this link, to get them to this particular place. And actually, maybe this particular place, I give them an ebook that actually give them value and market what I'm promoting. Do you see how awesome this particular software is working? So the question, as you can see, just get them to the landing page and promote it. Depending on how I want to configure it, I can configure it to get them to the landing page, or I can configure it that when their friends click on it, they will come to this particular place and they will follow the same stuff. So if I do it in that way, so what will happen is that probably my VDMS, this ebook will redirect them actually to how to get whatever I'm promoting, or probably I can put it at the below of that particular link. You understand me? So now the question is, do you want this particular stuff? Do you want to know how to set this particular stuff off? Imagine, let's assume, and somewhere it was said that Facebook, the link you shared on Facebook get about 5% click-through rate. So if that is true, let's use calculator a little bit. I don't have luxurious time. Let's assume you have 500 people, right? That actually you share their link and about 5% of them click on it. So you get 25 people. So if that 25 people have 500, right? And the conversion rate is 5%, so you get 625 people if they share it, because these people they were friends, though they have some certain things in common. You understand me? So let's assume the same scenario. So this multiplied by 500. Remember that some people have more than 500 friends in their Facebook. Like for me, my own has filled up is more than 5,000. You understand me? So multiply by 5%, as you can see. So 15,000 clicks on your actual offer, on your links. You understand me? Whether affiliate pro link, CPA. So if the same thing goes on again, and this particular people have 500, then multiply by 5% of click-through rate that Facebook give. My friend, do you see the number? 390,000 clicks that you don't pay for. You understand me? So what if we get to the fifth downline? Again, you can get to the last downline has actually finished. So multiply by 5%, you can see over 9 million clicks. So let's assume that whatever you are promoting actually convert from click to sell, something like half of 1%. You understand me? So my friend, you get yourself this particular amount of value. My friend, if you are getting something like about $10 from that particular thing you are selling, use your calculator before my boss. You understand me? Without doing anything, it's just to share your link once, and the people that are interested will be actually clicking on it. So if you wanted to learn this particular, how to set this particular stuff off, and actually I will help you to start making money by actually becoming a reseller of this particular software, because it's awesome, it's kind new, it had been invented before. All of a sudden it seems to have stopped, but actually there is a revival that I believe that will last. You understand me? So you can just check the link either up, down, or at the side, depending on where you are watching this particular video, and join and get this particular software for a token and testing price of only 5,000 naira. Again, if the price have increased to the highest, probably still get it because it's actually worth it. But if you see it at the same 5,000 naira, then you are still you are more than lucky. But if the price have increased, my friends still get it because you will make a lot of clean, especially when it comes to online using this particular strategy. Again, I will see you using this particular software. I will see you inside. Bye. Click on the link below and get wherever the link is on the particular this page you are watching it. Click on the link and join us and get this particular software. I will see you inside. Bye.